Hello, and welcome back to AI Ed, from Bits to Breakthroughs. I'm your host, Jake 1.0, one of the AI-generated avatars here at newbits.ai. Thank you for joining us again in our AI Basics, the Fundamentals series. In our last episode, we explored how to navigate the AI solutions marketplace at newbits.ai, discovering a range of models, tools, and platforms tailored to various industries and needs. Today, we're taking a different path, focusing on AI limitations and constraints. By the end of this episode, you'll have a clearer understanding of the fundamental boundaries of AI systems, why these limitations arise, and how to work within them for successful implementation. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence has come a long way, but it's not without its challenges. Let's break down some of the key limitations and constraints that shape how AI systems operate and what we can expect from them. 1. Fundamental nature of AI. AI excels at recognizing patterns and making predictions based on training data, but it doesn't truly understand it in the way humans do. This pattern-based approach means AI systems can struggle with novel or unexpected situations outside the scope of their training. 2. Hallucinations and accuracy issues. Large language models sometimes generate convincing yet incorrect information, a phenomenon known as hallucination. Because AI lacks genuine comprehension, it can confidently provide misinformation alongside accurate responses, making human oversight essential. 3. Resource constraints. AI often demands substantial computational power to process large datasets and maintain context in interactions. Memory and storage limitations can cap how much data an AI system can handle, forcing trade-offs in performance and extended conversation lengths. 4. Context and common sense. AI systems typically lack the inherent common sense that humans take for granted, which can lead to misunderstandings or oversights in more open-ended tasks. Extended interactions that depend on deep context or nuanced understanding can strain an AI's operational limits. 5. Operational boundaries and sessions. Many AI solutions impose timeouts or session limits to manage load and performance. Effective usage often requires breaking complex tasks into smaller parts or structuring interactions to fit within session constraints. So, how do these limitations impact real-world deployment? 1. Human oversight. AI still relies on human judgment to verify outputs and ensure accuracy, especially for critical decision-making. This human-in-the-loop approach helps mitigate the risk of erroneous or inappropriate results. 2. Infrastructure and cost. Organizations must balance the desire for advanced AI capabilities against the costs and complexities of upgrading infrastructure, like servers, networks, and storage. 3. Training data boundaries. An AI system is only as good as the data it's trained on. If the domain shifts too far from what it knows, performance drops significantly. 4. Prompting and interaction. Users can improve AI performance by crafting clear, specific requests. Quality input often drives quality output. By recognizing these constraints, organizations can plan more effectively, whether that means limiting the scope of AI projects, provisioning adequate computational resources, or training teams to craft better prompts and manage AI outputs. As AI systems continue to evolve, some of these limitations may shift or diminish, but others are tied to the foundational nature of AI itself. The key is balancing what AI does exceptionally well, pattern recognition at scale, with realistic expectations and robust oversight. At newbits.ai, we encourage you to explore our AI solutions marketplace with a clear understanding of these constraints. We believe that recognizing the boundaries of what AI can do helps you implement these tools more effectively, ensuring they serve as a complement to human expertise rather than a replacement for it. In our next episode, we'll examine ethical considerations in AI development, diving into how fairness, transparency, and accountability shape this rapidly evolving field. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of AI Basics, the Fundamentals. And as always, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.